Hello, my name is Rebecca Hammond. I'm a clinical imaging specialist with GE-OEC.
And I'm Sean McClendon. I'm the same title, Clinical Imaging Specialist for GE Healthcare Surgery. We're going to show you some of the brakes and locks on the C-arm to help you with positioning for your surgery cases. Now we're going to talk about some of the more advanced positioning, which is one of the locks that is really key and unique to just our GE systems, which is the Smart View lock. So one of the views that's done sometimes is you do the rainbow lateral over the top. With our system, you notice Rebecca's unlocking the orange craniocaudal lock, the Smart View brake, and the AP to lateral. Grab the handle, you're able to spin just that one piece of upside down. And then from there you can take the C-arm, rainbow straight over the top. Notice all of this movements and the C-arm base itself never moves. So you don't have to fight the weight of the whole system. Come back to an AP, all the way back to the lateral again, very easily. This position can be done by moving the arm either direction, so you can move it from the right or the left, depending on where you're positioned, or depending on if you're right or left-handed even, you can move it either direction. Straight back to the same position we were before. And again, all of this done without the C-arm itself ever having to be moved. Also, one of the other positioning we want to talk about is using our Smart View to get perfect circles. This is very common when doctors are doing hip, nailing, IM rods of the tibia or IM rods of the femur, where they're trying to put in distal locking screws and get the circles perfect. So one of the things that's really important with our C-arm using Smart Views, we're able to do that without having to move individual locks at one time. You unlock the same three locks we did before: our orange brake, our craniocaudal, our silver brake, which is our Smart View, and our blue AP to lateral. And you see as Rebecca is able to turn the C-arm in several different directions at one time. And a lot of times this helps in positioning, getting those circles perfect without having to do individual locks.